Welcome back to another crypto video. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we can look at Gala for the first time. Some pretty exciting stuff to look at. If you are new here, please do join the Discord. You can find that in the description, where we talk about different projects, we add charts, and we just really have a general crypto related or anything related chat. So if you want to jump in, it's free, it's in the description, and also subscribe and like the video if you like the content. Every subscription really helps, and it just helps grow the community. So we like to talk about crypto and remove all of the nonsense, such as 100x and saying targets that are way too unrealistic within our current period and cycle. So we're always looking at pragmatic targets, and I think it's important to do that. So we can look at Gala today, trading at 44 cents with rank 54 with a market cap of 3.3 billion. So it's relatively strong. It's not really a medium cap anymore. I'd probably say it's actually one of the larger caps, and it's looking good. Over the 30 days we're pretty correction resistant, and over the 24 hours we're up 1%. So Gala, I just want to point out, has of course had a massive impulse from there, up 900%. So it's already done a 9x. So we have to be mindful that it's already had its euphoria and thrill. And now we're kind of in this corrective phase where we're actually just sitting below the 0.5 Fibonacci range. And personally, in my experience, I usually see these coins come down a bit lower. Usually down to the 0.618 golden pocket on that Fibonacci over there, or even the 0.786. So whilst it could be a good opportunity to dollar cost average here, I would not recommend, not financial advice, but I would not recommend going 100% all in, just because I think it's so possible we're going to get some movement to the downside. You can see that we're still underneath that 20-day moving average, and we're not really getting any volume over here, so there's not much kind of attention and hype like there was before with this particular coin. So I'm kind of speculating that it's possible that we could break support over here on this symmetrical triangle, and maybe even come back down to 0.36, and maybe even come back down to 0.23, but that's me being bearish, that's me being pragmatic. And we also need to kind of consider what could happen if we do break out. So if we do break out to the upside of this symmetrical triangle, I have a bullish target of around 0.62, where the previous swing high was. So if we can come back through, got a bit of resistance on the way at 0.51, got a bit at 0.57, but we haven't really retested that 20-day moving average yet. On the 4-hour time frame, however, we've just come through, so we've been putting in those lower highs and those lower lows, and finally maybe this might be the one where we come up to the top resistance of the triangle over here at 48 cents. So if we do come to 48 cents and break out, the first level of resistance I am seeing is 51 cents. And if we break through that 51 cents mark, if we get that bounce, we come up to 57 through to 62. And that would be great to see. Maybe this is another accumulation range. It doesn't look like it would be a bad range. I'm just saying it could possibly, there be better ranges to accumulate. So that's what I'm seeing at the moment. In terms of the accumulation range, it looks very good to accumulate around here, but it could come down low. It could come to 3.6, it could come to 2.3. Now, if this is the bottom, I do think we're going to come up to that 0.51, and I do think we'll be 0.57. And after 0.57, that's where we see 0.62, 0.74, and I have a bullish target over here of actually, believe it or not, $1.10. And that's just using the Fibonacci extension from the impulse high to swing low over here. And should we go back into price discovery, I think $1.09 is particularly a good area to look at. So keep an eye out for that. I don't think that will happen in December, no way. But let's just see what happens with Gala, guys. Hold, take it easy, don't buy too much too soon. But at the same time, don't feel like you shouldn't buy any at all. So that's kind of my view on Gala at the moment, guys, is that we are trading this massive sort of symmetrical triangle on the 15-minute time frame. You can see that we're sort of coming back up to perhaps retest this $0.48 mark. So that's a really key area. is 0.48, and the key area of support is of course 0.41. If you liked the video, subscribe, join the Discord, and it'd be fantastic if we could just, see what happens and voice your opinions in the Discord. Comment down below what you want to see next. And thanks for your time, as always. Bye for now.